transfer file to DJI RC2 to your iPhone, open your DJI and at the same time turn on your iPhone Bluetooth option and open your DJI apps. If you don't have DJI apps, just go to App Store and search DJI Fly. Then you can see these apps. Just install it. On install, just done. Open your apps. Now go to your RC controller. Press on album. Now you're able to see all of your footage. If you want to transfer footage from your aircraft, press on aircraft. Then you can see a lot of image file available here. Now to transfer it, press on album on your mobile device and now select which video you want to transfer. Select this video, then top right corner this icon, press on this icon and now press on mobile this icon and scan QR code. Just scan QR code, press on join. Now file received successfully, sent. And if you want to send another one, just press on this icon, file automatically transfer. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.